guys, you're tuned into the Talking Shed here at Fennig Equipment, and today we're out here in our soybean field. We harvested this last fall, obviously. Then we planted some cover crops, about 25 pounds of it. It's starting to kind of green up here. We're at the middle of March, but for us and a lot of our customers, this is a very realistic planting situation. You know, a lot of guys will no-till into this, maybe hit it with a vertical till, but we wanted to kind of look at a very realistic planting situation and discuss the cover crop or the closing wheel dilemmas that we're hearing. We've got a lot of guys asking, what's the advantage of the poly spikes versus the standard cast that we've been selling for years? And how long do these poly spikes last versus the cast? And do I even need a spike closing wheel? We hear that conversation day in and day out here at Fennig Equipment. And I figured it'd be best for us to get out here in the field to really dig into why we use them. So we'll start with the poly spike. So it's got a built-in rim. The nice thing about these is you can buy just the outer insert and put it on your existing standard rubber closing wheel. You can split this wheel, put the rim on, and you've got a spike closing wheel. Does a phenomenal job. Cast spike wheel, you have to take off any wheel that you've got, put this one on. It's got a built-in rim, longer, more aggressive spikes than the poly. And the differences between the two. In the past, we'd always sold these. You could maybe get by with one per row, but you and I know that if you got these spaced too close together, this longer spike could possibly flip some seed. So this spike had to really work and dig from really far away from that seed trench to get that slot closed. It was really reaching really far away because we had to get away from the seed trench. And since these spikes had to constantly penetrate their full length, we would actually wear this wheel out fairly quick. And we have heard a lot of that from guys, but in cover crop and heavy no-till, this wheel does a great job. The poly spike, however, because these spikes are shorter, we can bring these closer to the seed trench. We typically run two because they're less aggressive. They work together. There's a left and a right, but we run them closer, and that's because these will not flip seed because they're so short. So when you run that, they're going to run more on top of that seed trench, never flipping any seed, and each one has to work less than what that one does. So they actually wear extremely long. I've got guys with 16-row planters telling me they're going to get 35 to 4,000 acres out of these things, and that's pretty impressive for a poly spike. I'm not sure we can see that out of these casts. But one thing I wanted you to point out, if you bring the camera over here, is I ran these closing wheels in the side by side, and this one has got a larger hole. That's the poly spike. It's got more of a blunt face to it. You can see the larger hole. This one has got the smaller hole. That's the cast spike wheel. And what I like about this is this shows you how this one was long and skinny, and it had to really penetrate from deep and far away from the seed trench. Whereas these, they make a bigger thumbprint, go right on top of that seed trench, and really crumble and firm that seed trench, getting out all those air pockets. So if you called me today and wanted to know which spike closing wheel I'd suggest, it would definitely be the poly spike. My only question would be if you were a no-till and conventional. There's a few different types of these poly spikes that I would suggest, but we've been selling these to a lot of guys. I saw them run last year and I was very impressed. So this is definitely the spike closing wheel to go after.